What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cornell, University Cornell, and the house, man. I would say some of the best videos I've ever made, in my personal opinion, always came from the heart. I've always felt like there are some things you can do in life that you just cannot script. I spent a little bit of time working on a list of things that I wanted to bring into this video. And while in the process of making this list, it's literally easy to watch a lot of YouTube success stories, right? And get fired up and then not know what to do with that energy because you still haven't figured out for yourself what it is that you want to do. Where's your passion? What gets you in the mood to make videos? Like when you daydream about like being a successful YouTuber, what do you see yourself doing? Let me give you an example. You could be like a random genius, right? You could just be the kind of person, someone can give you a box of color pencils and a blank book. You would take one color pencil and start sketching a little bit, and 15-20 minutes later, there's like a masterpiece there. But it was never planned out. You could be that kind of individual. And I think a lot of us have like that creativity stagnation in most cases. We know what we're good at, but we cannot forcefully bring it out. Because on an intentional level, we have no idea what it is that we're looking for, what it is that's in us that makes us special. But now if we're given a blank space to just sketch or freestyle or, just put some pieces together, somehow we're able to make sense of nothing and create something out of nothing. I want to give you a really good example of what I mean by that. Check this out. All right, guys. So as you can see, it don't take much. Pause it. And that masterpiece could have been one of the best things you've ever designed in your entire life. All because you started with one action and you just literally streamlined straight from there. So basically your brain went into like some sort of hyperdrive and just spaced out. It literally came out of nowhere. A colored pencil, a blank sheet of paper, and just your imagination. That is really all it is, and that's what it comes down to when you're developing these videos. Super simple, straightforward, right? But the difficulty is trying to force yourself to do something you know you can do, but you're not bringing that energy out from the correct place.
It's sort of the socio-political equivalent of, say, a suit of power armor around you, but now things are even out, so... Arthricia?
Let's go back to...
speech sound waves and can identify the distortion in our voices created by the stress of lying. And it doesn't work at all. See, it does work. I never had any doubts. Okay, I had a small doubt. Okay, every day I am incapacitated by fear. I don't know where the magic comes from, and I'm terrified that one day I'll wake up and it will all be gone. And I'll end up alone, living in my brother's basement with his trains. Buzz, damn you!
Meanwhile, I have successfully privatized world
And that's
peace.
the most interesting thing about being a creative genius. Sometimes we try too hard to make something out of nothing instead of just making something. It's very simple. If we can stick to simplicity and understand the passion within us that we want to do, that's really all the action we need to take to drive us to make something amazing. For example, here on this beautiful beach, there is a really, really bad storm. Why is that? Because I decided to make it happen. What else can I make happen? I don't know. Now we are in the streets of Shanghai. Beautiful city. And because I want to be here, I am here. Right? So when you're a YouTuber, it's literally up to you and your imagination. Just like that, we're somewhere different. We're not limited by our ideas. We're actually liberated by our ideas. And what's great about that is this video has no script. I have no idea what I'm going to say next. Well, I'm back. Anyways, this video was supposed to be educational, and I've written down so much stuff to make this video, let's say, well prepared. And for some freaking reason, I struggle to follow my own script. you know what? Trial and error. Sometimes you really just gotta get out there and just make some stuff and not give a damn, really. Because I think in the beginning of becoming a YouTuber, it's just a passion of wanting to be yourself and to grow a community around something that you're passionate about. And whatever that topic is, in the beginning, you have no idea what that is. But let's be honest, it's a mess sometimes. When you're starting out as a YouTuber, it's a complete mess. You don't know what the hell you're gonna make. I mean, literally, I'm in front of a green screen right now, right? I have no idea what's behind me. It could be a dinosaur. I hope to, Jesus, it's a T-Rex. Let's get that out of here, please. So, it's that hard. And right now, it feels like I'm a comedian on a stage. Stage fright is horrible right now, bro. I feel like the whole crowd's laughing at me. Don't laugh. Don't you laugh. I swear to God, don't you laugh. I'll have Arnold Schwarzenegger in here so fast. Don't laugh. Don't boo me. Who are you booing? All right, this is supposed to be why are you heckling me? Okay, let's simmer down. Yeah, I have control over the green screen, but sometimes my imagination does its own thing, and the guy who does the editing is like a different version of me, I guess. So he, it's like being two different people. Stop booing, good God. All right, take this away, Mr. Editor. Editing gods, please change this background. Cool, that is so much better. Thank you. Looks much more peaceful. Anyways, this is actually a very nice vacation. Nice, good vacation spot. I feel like I'm on someone's desktop right now, literally. Got the palm trees, a nice little ocean breeze. Man, these green screens are flipping amazing. All right, off topic. I'm trying to be, direct, straight to the point. I don't think I'm doing a good job with this. I feel like I am literally inside my own imagination. I'm pretty sure my background just changed. It did it? I'm pretty sure it did. Yeah. So, see you guys next time.